First, every mineral is checked for purity, balance, and clean grain quality before the hot process begins. Uniform raw materials create stable melting, fewer defects, and a stronger forming flow.
Now the selected materials move forward for exact batch preparation.
Each ingredient is separated now, so the next mix can stay perfectly controlled.
The selected batch is ready to be blended into one precise glass-making formula.
Measured ingredients are combined in exact proportions to create a stable melting batch. Recycled material helps the melt start faster and keeps the batch more efficient.
The prepared batch now moves into deep mixing for a more uniform feed.
Uniform mixing now prepares the raw formula for the hottest stage ahead.
The dry formula is now ready for final mixing and continuous furnace feeding.
This final dry mixing stage creates a stable feed for continuous heat processing.
The goal here is a smooth, even feed with no cold spots and no imbalance.
The prepared batch now advances to the melting line, where extreme heat takes over.
Everything is synchronized now, so the heat stage receives a constant, controlled supply.
The raw formula is now entering the hottest and most transformative part of the process. Inside the furnace, intense heat melts the mineral mixture into glowing liquid material.
The minerals fuse together here, forming a smooth liquid ready for refining. Careful temperature control keeps the melt smooth and stable. Once fully melted, the liquid flows forward for purification and stabilization. The molten material now moves toward refining, where bubbles and impurities are removed. In the refining chamber, bubbles and trapped gases rise and escape from the liquid. Removing trapped air ensures the liquid becomes perfectly uniform.
The liquid is now becoming clearer and more stable.
This stage prepares the liquid for accurate temperature control before forming.
The refined liquid now moves forward for precise temperature conditioning.
Temperature stabilization ensures the liquid behaves correctly during shaping.
Precise cooling prepares the liquid for accurate portion cutting. The stabilized liquid now advances to the portion cutting system.
Now the molten stream is ready to be divided into forming portions.
Next, the liquid will be divided into precise portions ready for shaping. Each droplet must stay perfectly measured for consistent shaping. The glowing portions now travel toward the forming molds. Now the glowing material enters the shaping molds. Now the glowing material enters the shaping molds. The molten portions are now shaped into preliminary forms. This first forming step creates a hollow pre-shape. The initial shape now moves to the final molding station. The forming system works continuously to maintain production speed.
Next, air pressure will expand the glass into its final structure.
Air pressure expands the heated glass to its final dimensions.
The heated material spreads evenly across the mold surface.
The shaped glass now leaves the mold for controlled cooling. Each forming cycle completes in just seconds.
Next comes controlled cooling to remove internal stress.
Controlled cooling slowly relieves internal stress inside the glass.
Protective coatings help keep the surface durable during transport.
After inspection, the bottles are prepared for safe transport. From the factory floor to stores worldwide, the journey is complete.
And that's the complete journey, from raw minerals to finished glass bottles, produced with precision and advanced manufacturing.
Follow for more manufacturing documentaries and factory tours.